everyone, it's Chloe here from the Chloe Bruce Academy, and I've got some amazing news for you. I have just finished filming the final workout for RESET 3.0. Now, for those of you that don't know, RESET 3.0 is a challenge that I do every single year at the start of the new year. It's a completely free challenge, open to everyone. Now, next year we kickstart on January the 6th, 2025 for a 12-day experience with myself. If you miss one day, it's absolutely fine. You can catch up. We have 2 yoga flow sessions. We have 4 mobility sessions. We've got a box split masterclass, a front split masterclass, all suitable for all levels. And I will have modifications and breakdowns to show alternative moves for those of you that aren't as flexible. We also have 2 leg conditioning drill days whereby we do lots of leg work in order to gain the strength, but also the mobility and flexibility throughout your legs. Now, if you're not a martial artist, you're still going to benefit. You will still love it and have fun, she says. So, what are you doing starting January the 6th? I know what I am, and that is RESET 3.0. Come join us, hit that sign up button and sign up today. You will not regret it. I will see you there.